Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Nimble to Google Calendar for prospect engagement tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Nimble website. Log into your Nimble account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the left-hand sidebar menu. Click on the Settings option found at the bottom of the menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Integrations tab and click on it. Scroll down until you see the Google Calendar integration option. Click on the Connect button next to Google Calendar. A new window will pop up prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account email address and click Next. Input your password and click Next again to continue. You may be asked to allow Nimble access to your Google Calendar. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. After you have granted access, you will be redirected back to the Nimble interface. Check to confirm that your Google Calendar is now connected. Next, go to your Nimble dashboard to see your calendar events. From here, you can track prospect engagements automatically. Explore the various features that Nimble offers for managing your engagements. Set reminders and follow-ups directly linked to your Google Calendar events. That's how you connect Nimble to Google Calendar for effective tracking of your prospect engagements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.